Imagine you're on a remote highway and suddenly your car breaks down. It's late and you're miles away from help. These moments remind us how vital a well-prepared car emergency kit can be. In today's video, I'll show you 15 essential items every car kit should have to help you stay safe and prepared for any roadside emergency. First, jumper cables, but not just any. Use single vehicle portable jumpers so you can restart your car without needing another vehicle. Next, make sure you have food and water. Non-perishable food like granola bars and enough water to last at least 72 hours will keep you nourished while waiting for help. Another key item is a tire repair kit. A flat tire can happen anytime, and having a repair kit and an inflator will get you back on the road. You should also pack a first aid kit. For any injuries, big or small, it could be a lifesaver. And don't forget a blanket and warm clothes. During colder months,